Now this is the time to do the question number 8. Let us read the question number 8. Find the value of y for which the distance between the points P and Q is 10 units. We are given 2 points, one point P and the coordinate of P is 2, 3. This is point P. One point Q and the coordinate of Q is 10, y, and this y is not given and we are required to find out this y, and distance between P and Q, this P and this Q is 10 units. What is required to do? We are required to write down PQ is equal to 10 units and write the distance formula. After writing the distance formula, you can solve this question and can find out the value of y. Hope you have done this question. Let me explain. We are giving the point P and point Q, and PQ is 10 unit. This y which is in Q, we are required to find out. Let us write down the formula of distance. This is distance formula is equal to 10 unit. Putting the value x2, what is the value of x2? x1, y2, and the value of y1 is this one. So we are having minus here. So this minus will make this positive. It is here. Solving this. This is in under root, and in under root we cannot solve it as it present condition. So what is required? We are required to take square both side. Why? Because square can cancel the square root. If I am taking square in this side, it is required to take square in this side also. Taking square in this side, this square root will cancel by this square. 8 square 64. This is square here, and 100 is the result of 10 square. 64. Now remember the formula of a plus b. This is a, this is b. A square plus b square plus 2ab equal to 100. Solve this one. 64 y square, this one, this is, and this is. Now 64 and 9, 73. Y square 6y equal to 100. If I am taking 73 on that side, I am having two things, y square and simple y. It means it is quadratic equation and we are required to solve this equation with the quadratic formula or quadratic rules, I should say. So for this I should take 100 to this side. I am taking 100 this side. 100 is plus. So as I am shifted 100 in this side, it is become minus. Y square, y square. Y 6y. This is 6y. 73 minus 100 is minus 27. This is quadratic equation. Now, because here is minus, so we are required to note two numbers. If we are multiply the two number, it must come 27, and due to this minus, if we are subtracting these two number, and I should say to factor, which is of 27, 6 is required to come. So 9 and 3 are two number because y is with 6, so we are taking 6, 9 and 3y. 9 minus 3 equal to 6. Minus 27 is equal to 0. Now, in this, what can we take common? Y. Y plus 9 minus 3. Y plus 9. Y plus 9 is common here. Y minus 3 is here. If y plus 9 is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 9. Y minus 3 is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. So we are having two value, minus 9 and 3. This is the answer. But you are required to check the fact. Putting the value of y here. One time minus and one time 3. And look, the answer is coming 10 or not of PQ. Thank you.